Today we are going to do the third practical of class 12th physics, that is meter bridge, to find out the specific resistance of an unknown wire by using meter bridge. The materials required for these practicals are meter bridge and a battery, rheostat, a galvanometer, a key and a resistance box. And this is the jockey that we are using to find out the balancing length of the setup. Now we are going to connect the connection diagram. We are going to start from the battery positive to one of the terminal of the meter bridge, that is, we name it as A, first terminal, then battery negative to rheostat to key to next terminal of the meter bridge. This is B terminal. We are again going to say the connection. Please once again have a look. Battery positive to terminal A of the meter bridge, then battery negative to rheostat to key to the second terminal of the meter bridge. And we are having two gaps. This gap we will call it as left gap. This gap is known as right gap. In the left gap we will connect a unknown resistance wire. This is your unknown resistance wire. On the right gap we want to connect a resistance box. This is the resistance box which is having the resistance from 1 ohm to 10 ohm resistance is over there. On the right gap we will connect resistance box, that is non-resistance. Left gap we will connect the unknown resistance wire, and we will connect the galvanometer from the center terminal, and from the galvanometer negative we will connect a jockey. This is your jockey. This is the instrument that we are used to measure the balancing length of the instrument. Now we are going to take the readings. So for that, first of all, I am going to switch on my battery. I am going to switch it on, and I am going to take a resistance from the resistance box. Now my resistance, I am taking it as 1 ohm resistance that I am taking, and I am going to switch on the key. Then only the circuit will be closed. Now I am going to close it. So now the circuit is closed. So current is moving through the whole setup. So I want to take the balancing length of this instrument. For that I am taking the jockey and I am moving it from the 0. At that time what you want to see, you want to look on the galvanometer. And before going to take the observations, we want to check whether the connection is right or wrong. For that, the two terminals, when I am touching on the two terminals of the meter bridge, the galvanometer wants to show the opposite deflection. We can check it out. Now I am going to check on the one of the terminal. Now my galvanometer is showing you one side deflection, and I am going to check on the other side. Then your galvanometer is showing you opposite deflection. That means our connection is right. So we can take the observations. So I am starting my observation from the 0. I want to find out the null deflections on my galvanometer. So while I am moving through the wire, what I want to see, the 0 on the galvanometer. So I am moving my jockey. So please have a look on the meter. The meter is also moving. It will give you 0. Okay, now you get the 0. This reading we want to note down. You can see this is 26.5. 26.5 is your balancing length. 26.5. That is your balancing length. Okay, that reading we will note down on the column L. That means, as you know, this setup is working on the basis of Wheatstone's bridge, and this setup contains 4 resistance. I will tell you which are the 4 resistance. As you know, the balanced conditions of a Weissen's bridge is P by Q, which is equal to R by S. So the 4 resistance are over there. One of the resistance will be your unknown resistance. So this will act as your one resistance. And second resistance will be your resistance box. And the third resistance will be the length that we get. As you know, the zeroth reading that we get, this is your zeroth reading that you get. So the distance from 0 to this much length will act as one reading. 0 to L, this much reading will act as one resistance, and another resistance will be 100 minus L, because this is 1 meter wire. So 100 minus L will be your fourth resistance. The 4 resistance are like this. Once again, unknown resistance, resistance box, L, that is the balanced length, and the left out resistance, that is 100 minus L. These are the 4 resistance of the Weissen's bridge. So now we have measured one observation for the resistance 1 ohm. Like that, we can vary the resistance on the resistance box, that is 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 4 ohm and 5 ohm. Like that, we need 5 observations. By taking the 5 observations, we will do the calculations to find out the resistance, and by taking the mean, we will find out the resistance of the unknown resistor. Okay, like that we can find out the unknown resistance, and after that, by using a screw gauge, you can find out the diameter of the given wire, and by finding that, we can finally find out the resistivity of the given wire. That's about this practical. Thank you.